So in various ways, digital technologies on one side, and then digital technology aided teaching, learning devices on the other are going to be immensely influential in teaching learning process. Now, all this is possible only when you are trained in the basics of OBE on the one side and of technopedagogy on the other. For both the team with Dr. Mendes are of immediately great help, and that accounts for the great number of participants who always turn up. Now, frankly speaking, this is for the first time in my life I witnessed this amazing response from the teachers. We used to assiduously persuade teachers to participate in refresher courses, various orientation programs, and so on by giving incentives. Now it's quite interesting that teachers, without anybody's persuasion, participate in good number in programs like this. This attests the effectiveness of hands-on program that Dr. Mendes and his team organize, and then the various principals of colleges with great interest invite the team for conduct of programs like this. It's all immensely gratifies us, and once again, underscoring the importance of the program, I congratulate the teachers who have drawn benefits out of the program and express my gratitude to Dr. Mendes and his team, and also Reverend Sister. I'm happy to know that a good number of you, around 2,000, are participating in this, and you have just completed the program. I need hardly tell you how useful it was, and I presume that most of you have taken benefit out of this program under the well-experienced experts in the team of Dr. Mendes.